Welcome to Chef Rafi's show.
Hi, I'm Chef Rafi and welcome to my show. Today I'll teach you how to make the world's best Philippine meatloaf, or embutido. We can prepare it steamed or baked or fried, and even make embutido meatloaf.
If you haven't had embutido before, it's a delicious meat roll with cheese, pate, pickles, small organic eggs, chorizo sausage, and other secret ingredients.
These are the ingredients you'll need.
Chef Rafi's grandma will be doing the cooking today. She flew all the way from the Philippines to cook this dish for us.
Magluto na tayo. First you will need good quality ground pork and the best quality ham. It's very important to use fresh organic eggs. You don't have to boil your eggs the way that my grandma does. You can use chorizo or tiny sausages.
Show some respect for grandma and give her a thumbs up.
Don't forget the pickles, those are very important. Now we can roll the embutido. Look how many rolls she made. Now we will steam them in foil. When it's cooked, cut it up diagonally. This is the steam version.
Everybody knows that nothing beats grandma's cooking.
And this is the baked version. Do you like it baked or steamed? Thank you, Granny PottyMouth.
If you visit Chef Rafi soon, he'll have some left to share.
Salamat! I gave these meatloaf to my favorite subscribers.
I'm Granny PottyMouth, and I'm all about grandmas doing the cooking.
Chef Rafi films videos all over the world. Where will Chef Rafi go next? Subscribe to find out.